Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum friends and subscribers. This is Muhammad Sheikh, and from past few videos I am working on a tutorial series of learning AngularJS. In this video I am going to show you or discuss about an ng include directive. Ng include directive allows us to combine different partial templates into one file. Okay, we can create different separate uh, partial templates, and we can link or we can use those templates inside our HTML file. Okay, in this video we will going to understand what I am actually trying to say when I'm saying ng include allows you to join or link different partial templates in a single HTML file. Okay, here I have created an HTML file with the name called index.html, and inside this I have created an Angular module and a controller, and inside this controller I have assigned a JSON object to the friends property of scope object, and I'll be displaying this data inside a table by calling a partial template using ng include directive. Okay, here you can see I already created an array of JSON object, and I have assigned it to the friends property of scope object. Okay, now I need to create a file where I can display this data. Okay, so that I have created a file with the name called as table.html. Inside this table I will type h4 say ng include directive. Okay, and then I will create a table and then give it a border of 1, and then inside it I will create a row, and inside table row I will create a header. Okay, and then for this I will give, let's say, what fields we have: fname, lname, salary, address. Okay, first name, I'll just copy this, paste it a couple of times. First name, last name, and then salary, address, age, salary, address, age, and then finally we have email. Okay, save it, and let's create another row to display the data, and this with this tr I'll be making an ng repeat directive. ng I'll be using ng repeat directive to repeat over my JSON object ng repeat, and here we have friends. Copy this, friend in. Yeah, I'm going to iterate in each friend inside my friends object, and I will print this here by using binding expression of friend dot fname. Copy this. Okay, here it's lname, and then salary, address, age, and email. Okay, here you can see I have created a different HTML template for displaying my view or output on my browser. Okay, instead of using this entire table inside my HTML file, I have created a separate view for handling my table or handling my output. Okay, so this is called as a partial template, and I will use this partial template, or I will call this partial template inside my HTML file by using ng include directive. So I'll create a div. Okay, inside that div I will call ng include directive equals to okay, and here I will call table.html. Okay, Now I have created an ng include directive inside my controller, ng controller, which was my controller, and inside this I have used an ng include directive. As I said before, ng include a directive allows us to call different partial templates within a single file. Again, now I have given here inside ng include directive, I have given a name of my file, which is table.html. Again, now when I run this program, when I run this index.html, then this index.html file will call this table.html. This entire output will come and add inside this body, and we will get the output displayed on our browser. Okay, now let's check this. Check the output in our browser. So let's go here, 127. Okay, now let's type it, enter. Okay, now you can see it has loaded our JSON data, which is this Ajay Kumar, and then Pooja Rastogi. See, I'm getting Ajay Kumar, Pooja Rastogi. Okay, I'm not getting the salary information properly. Okay, here salary is in capital letters. Here I have make it as small, so I'll just change it. And now when I refresh, I get the salary information also. Okay, so I hope you understood, guys. So ng include directive allows us to call our partial templates, different partial templates. Okay, so whenever we will be discussing in our upcoming videos, I'll be discussing about routing. So in that routing, we will be calling different partial templates exactly similar like this, similar to this. So at that time we'll be calling these partial templates exactly the same way how we have called here. Okay, so here we have called this partial template with the help of ng include directive, and whenever we will be discussing about routing, at that time we will be calling this kind of partial templates using a route mechanism, using template URL, and then we will be passing the name of the template that we will be calling whenever a user click any of the link. Okay, so this routing mechanism also uses this calling this partial templates. Okay, so I hope you understood what is ng include and how we can make use of ng include directive to call different partial templates. Okay, so I hope you understood this concept. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel, click on like button, share it with your friends, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.